Hi, this is Chutima. I am at Department of Aquatic Science of Songkla University. I have been teaching, advising students, and doing research in aquatic animal nutrition for so many years. So within this intensive aqua nutrition course provided by the professors, I will be covering nutrient requirement of several species, particularly commercial species, and then I will talk also about the anti-nutritional factor in the feedstuff that may affect the diet and also the animals. And then we'll talk more about Asian sea bass. And then my last topic would be how to do good research in aqua nutrition, either at the university or at your company. By attending this intensive course with the professionals from the industry, I trust that you will gain a lot of knowledge and experiences that you can use for your future. See you then. Thank you.